thank you guys for clicking on this video. I know it's been a while since I posted a video, but that being said, I will be posting more content. Stay tuned. In this video, I'll go over everything that happened and everything I upgraded to this car within the time span that I haven't posted. So, enjoy. New subframe. All the old bushings are out. Every single one of them. Let's get to it. Just washed it off as you guys just saw. Finished drying it off. Now I'm gonna hit it with the primer. I'm using this one. The color I want to go with, I have to put a primer. Mind you guys, no one's really ever gonna see this unless they watch the videos or they look underneath the car, but with it being so low and it being so tucked in, I highly doubt anyone will ever see this. So let's get to it. As you guys saw, I recently put in this LSD. It's been pretty good for street driving. It just isn't the best for drifting. And you guys know, this is the drift build. So we're gonna be getting rid of this LSD and we're gonna go back to 391. I've done this time lapse a couple times. I don't wanna bore you guys. 3, 2, 1. Just like that, LSD is out. So within the time span of my car being down, Tyler is one of my buddies that I drifted with in Florida, and we both have a big appreciation of just drifting in general. So we did go to a drift event, and here are some clips from that. Good guy.
I was looking for the chairs. Oh, that's so big.
Just dropped off Tyler. Let's get back to working on the car. Ta-da! I got new wheels. I got some Style 66s for the front, because I've heard that these are really good for angle. So I got those. And then I got my Solid 32s, the ones that are in the front and the rear, which, in my opinion, look really good. Both the setup. I think I'm adding a little bit of camber, even though I don't want to, but just for it to fit perfect. Because it's rubbing on the tire. Yeah. Reinforcements came in for the rear subframe. This one is for the chassis. It's Condor. Everything else on the car has been Condor. My engine mounts and trans mount bushings and my subframe bushings and my diff bushings are all going to be Condor. So I decided to go with them for the reinforcements on the chassis. And we're going to prep it real quick. What I'm trying to do is mock up where the reinforcement plates are going to go in the front, and then I'm going to outline it, and then I'm going to prep the metal underneath and prep the metal underneath this side. But with that outline, I kind of have a general idea of up to where I have to do it. Also, another thing, if you guys didn't know, the lugs, lug studs are the same size as the subframe bolts, and it holds it in place pretty well. So I'm going to hold it up there. So I want to give a shout out to my buddy John. He helped me out with this build. He was the one who welded my subframe, and you guys should check out his channel. He has a YouTube channel, an Instagram, and TikTok. He has everything. I'll link him down below. He's got a lot of cool stuff going on. Definitely keep up with him too. He posts way more frequently than I do. So yes, if you guys want to see some cool cars being built, follow him. Reinforcements. So he just came back from John's. Shout out to his welds for throwing in these reinforcements. Officially have a reinforced subframe. I'm gonna give it another layer of paint and then I'm gonna throw in the bushings. So everything is back together, finally. So one of the biggest reasons this whole process took so long is my chassis was cracked. I don't know if I ever recorded it, but I drove towards Baltimore from where I live in Maryland to Baltimore one evening, and I blew an axle going 80 miles an hour, and when I blew that axle, it cracked my subframe. My actual subframe mounts, not my subframe. So when I took off my subframe and realized that, it kind of put a damper on my motivation for this car, and that's one of the biggest reasons why it sat for so long. I did find a welder that helped me out with it, and I can't thank him enough for welding my my chassis. So it was kind of something that took motivation from me and made me kind of second guess this whole build. All right, so this is the worst one, as you guys can see. Sorry. It's pretty gnarly, and I'm hoping it's not too expensive to fix. I really hope it's not too bad. That one's not bad at all, which is great. This one has a little bit of a crack in it right there, and then this one is pretty solid. So I'm gonna start asking around, seeing who's got the best price to fix this. The diff is put back together, has gear oil in it, it's ready to go. Now we're gonna finish up the rear end, put it back together, and throw in the diff. So as you guys can see, everything's sprayed over the welds. I sprayed it with a undercoating spray. That way, prevent any rust, prevent anything from getting messed up. That way I don't have to worry about this ever again. I just did it once, did it right, and that's it. So I'm gonna tighten these two down, and then I'm gonna throw up the subframe. It's kind of tricky to record that, so I just record it once it's all done. Everything is kind of tight. I'm only missing this bolt right there, which I'm gonna do in a second, but I'm gonna throw in the diff, and hopefully once I level it, that goes right in. It just slips right in when I put the car back on the floor.
One eternity later.
Damn! She runs!
A few moments later.
Yeah, that's good. Or a farming.
1 hour later.
Smells like every chemical imaginable.
I know, bro. Smells like I walked into a fucking power plant, bro. Shit.
God, I miss driving a manual car.
Oh yeah.
Thank you for making it to the end of the video. I just want to say I truly appreciate everyone who's watched this full thing. Like, comment, subscribe, and until next time, see ya.
Gotcha, bitch!
So with a heavy heart, I'd like to say that Rex is no longer with us. He passed away earlier in the summer, and he was one of the reasons that I wanted to get the car back out. He spent a lot of hours with me in the garage, and yeah, now he crossed that rainbow road, and yeah, so just wanted to keep you guys informed that why he might not be in the videos anymore, or why you guys didn't see him in this video. So